video about Simulink design for flyback converter with single stage microinverter based on two switch topology. So this is the Simulink model for flyback two switch based flyback DC to DC flyback converter. So in this flyback converter, this is the primary side and this is the secondary side. So here we have generated the PWM signal for two switch topology, and then here we used a single diode based rectifier circuit which is used to convert that flyback converter AC input into DC output. So the total concept is DC to DC flyback converter. So input also DC, the output also DC here. So here we can check the PWM and input voltage and input current and diode current response, and here we can check the resistive load and output voltage, transformer current and transformer voltage. So here we are receiving that our input is 36 voltage, so the output also has provides same 36 voltage at resistive load, and this is the transformer input voltage, sorry, transformer current and transformer voltage. So this is topology 1 with using DC to two switch based DC to DC flyback converter. This is the Simulink model for single stage micro converter with flyback with DC to DC flyback converter. So for this topology, as per the paper, we used PV as the input and we used a 4 switch inverter topology to convert that DC into AC, and this is flyback converter topology. Here we use, as per the paper, this is 2 quadrant switch composed with transistor, and these two diodes are used for output of microinverter. End of that microinverter we used resistive load, and that is active load and electric load. So here we can check that PWM and input voltage, input current with diode current, and this is the output voltage, which is active load with transformer, means the transformer voltage and transformer current, and this is the electrical load current and voltage.